Welcome back students. This is our second GK class and our today's topic is pollution. So open your book, page number 11. What is the topic? The topic is pollution. It is a big problem of our environment. First we have to know what is pollution. Pollution is when gases, smoke and chemicals are introduced into the environment in a large scale that makes it harmful for humans, animals and plants. Again, pollution is when gases, smoke and chemicals are introduced into the environment in a large scale that makes it harmful for humans, animals and plants. There are 4 types of pollution in our environment. They are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and the last one is noise pollution. So first, learn about air pollution. Look at this picture. This is a picture of air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. We know that we can stay without food, without water, but we can't stay without air. It is essential for all living beings. Cutting down of trees, burning garbages, are the most important causes of air pollution. So if we want to stop air pollution, we have to stop cutting down of trees and we have to stop burning garbages and we have to plant more and more trees. Next, soil pollution. It is another important component of our environment and it is also essential for all of us. What is soil pollution? Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful substances. Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful substances. Throwing garbages, overuse of pesticide and fertilizers cause soil pollution. So if you want to stop soil pollution, we have to stop throwing garbages and we have to stop overuse of pesticides and fertilizers. Next is water pollution. It is also essential for all living beings. We use it in different ways like drinking, bathing, watering plants and many other. So what is water pollution? Water pollution is the pollution of bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, the oceans as well as groundwater. It occurs when pollutants reach these bodies of water without treatment. So we have to stop water pollution. And the last one is noise pollution. It is a big problem. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution is the disturbance of the environment with very loud sounds that are so irritating. Noise pollution is the disturbance of the environment with the very loud sounds that are so irritating. And this is the picture of noise pollution. Okay, so please watch and listen these videos and try to learn. Thank you.